Do you want to get access to Seedance 2.0?
Yes.
Watch this full video.
You can now use Seedance 2.0 from today. This website not only gives access of Seedance 2, it also provides almost all AI video generator models free. You can use Seedance 2 text to video, Seedance 2 frames to video, Seedance 2 image to video, and also able to use Seedance 2 Pro, text to video, image to video, frames to video, 2.6 all models, and few models can be used completely free including Seedance 2.0. Also Google Veo 3.1, Hailuo 2.3, image to video and text to video, Kling 2.6 and Kling 3.0 Pro, image to video and text to video. Also Kling 01 all related models, Kling 03 Pro models, Sora 2 Plus, image to video and text to video. I have already made video with Seedance. You can also use it for free. I will show you everything in detail with easy way to access in Seedance 2.0. Just watch this video till the end. I will add necessary links in description so that you can easily access. You may face challenge to use Seedance, but after watching this video you will able to use Seedance truly. Stay connected. I will show how to access exactly and use Seedance. You will need just add your prompt in prompt box, select video model and just click on generate button and your video will be ready in few seconds. I will give the website link in description and first comment. Click and visit to this site and click on login button. After successful login you will see a pop-up will be showed. Fill this form and you will get 200 extra credits to generate more videos. So in new account you have 700 credits. Now click on try Seedance 2.0 button to generate your new AI videos for free with Seedance 2.0. Or you can use any other AI models if you want as I showed you earlier. I recommend to use this AI. If you face any problem you can ask me on comment. I will answer all questions one by one. As I told you earlier, due to high traffic free users are facing challenges. So I highly recommend you to use this website to use Seedance 2.0. But if you want to get fastest use, I recommend you to upgrade to any paid plan. I recommend you to use Pro or Ultra plan. Must use given link in description or from first comment. If you found my video helpful, please like, comment, share and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.